Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the system target for FPGA driver I2C OLED. Okay, so for our task, we have one FPGA board like this, another one OLED like this. So what we will do for these two boards, let's open our camera to take a look at what we are going to do. Okay, so this is our board, and this is our board. This is OLED. Let's reset the board. Take a look. Okay, reset. Okay, it will output the "Hello world, how are you?" And this is Michael. And nice to meet you. Okay, Michael Studios. So this is our final target. We will output the fourth sentence, one letter after one letter. Simulate one like a computer input. Like a computer input, you type the words one by one. Okay. So this is our target. We will explain every detail about how we drive it and how we analyze the system. Okay, so that's it, and this is Michael. See you next time.